A very severe storm hit the town of lhôpital-le-grand on Tuesday, June 3, 2025, when a supercell phenomenon passed over the Loire River. The Loire department, along with 14 other departments, was placed under storm warning by Météo-France on Tuesday, June 3. On June 4, Météo-France issued an orange weather warning for 9 departments from Alsace to Perpignan due to storms and flash flooding. Forecasters call for hail of up to 5 centimeters, 2 inches, winds of 100 kilometers/62 miles per hour. And up to 30 millimeters, 1 inch, of rain in a matter of minutes, especially along the Loire River near Lyon. The warning remained in effect until 9 p.m. local time, LT. As of Tuesday afternoon, 14 departments were under orange warning. Jura, Saône-et-Loire, Allier, Puy-de-Dôme, Cantal, Haute-Loire, Rhône, Aisne, Loire, Tarn-et-Garonne, and Pyrénées-Atlantiques were given an orange warning for storm. Haute-Garonne, Gers, and Hautes-Pyrénées were given 2 warnings: storm and rain flood. Authorities advised residents to stay indoors, secure outdoor belongings, and avoid parking near trees. Drivers were warned not to drive on flooded roads, reduce speed, and seek shelter indoors during rain. A severe hailstorm hit the town of lhôpital-le-grand Loire on Tuesday afternoon as a supercell phenomenon passed through. The images are simply stunning. A severe hailstorm as it moved through almost the same area that was badly hit on Sunday. Here are images showing the severity of the hail on the A72 motorway near Hailstorm, where all vehicles were forced to stop. The storm could bring hail, wind gusts of around 80 to 100 kilometers/heavy rain of around 20 to 40 millimeters in a short period of time, and significant lightning strikes, the French weather agency predicted. Fortunately, the severe storm only hit on Tuesday, June 3, 2025, and mostly affected the Loire. Other severe storms also affected Puy-de-Dôme and Allier, but with much less and more localized damage.